Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix emails not showing up in your Gmail inbox so you will never miss any important messages again. Let's begin. Once you have logged into your Gmail and click on the gear icon over here on the top right, this will be your settings, okay? Click on that and in the settings menu, scroll down to the inbox type. Scroll down over here. This is it and select the default. This ensures your emails are sorted in the most straightforward way. All right. And by default, this is what you will actually get. However, if you're going to click on customize over here, make sure to uncheck all tabs except for primary. I'm going to uncheck both of these. This makes sure that all general emails are visible right away. So just make sure to click the save button to confirm your adjustments. Right click on that. This will apply the new settings and often resolves missing email issues. Now, if emails are still missing, you can actually click more on the left side over here. More, and then select all email over here. This shows all messages regardless of category, helping you locate anything misplaced. And that's it. Following these steps will ensure Gmail inbox displays all your important emails properly. I hope you found this video very helpful.